everyone, I'm gonna show you how to view Chrome history. So to start, open Chrome, then from here, click the three dots at the top right. Next, what you can do is to look for history. So hover over history and then here from the options. So here you can see recent tabs. Up here, you can open history page or show history in side panel. Now, if you want to view it all, click open history page or you can type Control plus H on your keyboard. Now, once you click that, so here are your Chrome history. So you can filter them by date or by group. So at the top, just choose whichever you want. Then you can scroll down in here and look for the history that you're looking for. But that's basically it. That's how you can view them. You can also select them by clicking this box right here to delete it. For example, I want to delete these three and click on delete at the top right and click delete again to confirm the action. You can also click the three dots right here so you can view more from the site or you can also delete from history. Now at the left side, you also have tabs from other devices or you can also delete browsing data in here. And that's basically it. So a quick recap, click the three dots at the top right, then from the options, look for history. Then here you can click open history page. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.